Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We will describe about animal husbandry in University of Muhammadiyah Malang.
Hello, my name is Arif Rahman Afandi.
Hello, my name is Ali Kartina. My name is Fadila Wahyutika Sari.
And I, Gary Papada Ramadan.
Animal husbandry is the care of breeding of animals, particularly livestock. People have done this for a very long time. It is much older than agriculture. Nomadic people and people in rural areas often teach their children how to care for their animals. 4-H is an organization that also teaches children in the United States how to raise and care for farm animals. Some people who specialize in animal husbandry try to make sure that the animals are well cared for, while others try to make sure that the animals cost as little as possible to raise. Examples for animal husbandry are beekeeping, dog breeding, farming, horse breeding, pig farming, raising cattle, and sheep farming. Animal husbandry includes domestication of animals to obtain animal products like milk, meat, wool, litter, and use them for transportation.
Cows are ruminants. Yes, this is a cattle shed at University of Muhammadiyah Malang. Here, there are about 10 cows. The criteria for making cow cakes that are right include clean lands, sufficient sunlight, cakes not too close to residential areas, and easy to get clean water. The product from the cattle industry include meat, milk, skin, and the fleet can be used as biogas.
Goats are four-legged herbivores mammal of the family Bovine and genus Capra. Their scientific name is Capra aegagrus hircus. They are the close relative of sheep who come from the same subfamily Caprine. There are more than 900 million live goats in the world, and most of them are kept as livestock to fulfill the need of humans of hair, meat, milk, and skin.
Poultry farming is the process of raising domesticated birds such as chicken, duck, turkey, and geese for the purpose of farming meat or eggs for food. Poultry, mostly chicken, are farmed in great number. I will tell you about layer hens and broiler chicken. In poultry farming, layer hens are the female chicken who spend their entire life laying eggs for commercial purpose. The operation collects the eggs and package them for supermarket and restaurants all over the world. Many people believe that layer hens aren't treated poorly because they are not killed for meat. The reality, though, is that they are given no more room or mercy than the animal raised for meat. Broiler chicken are chicken raised for meat. They are part of the poultry farming operation that allow eggs to be fertilized to increase production. However, the chicks who come out of these eggs aren't raised by their mother but instead incubated before being hatched and moved to mass housing.